Hello guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another of my videos. Okay, so PIXI sent me this cute bag. I think it was probably like 2 weeks ago or more than that. But this review is gonna be an honest review. I'm really gonna tell you what I think about the products for each of them, if I like them or if I don't. But yeah, I wanted to say thanks to PIXI Beauty by Petra for sending me this, and they've also sent me the PIXI Glow, which are the highlighter, blush, and bronzer all in one, and they are in shades Cake and something else I can't remember right now, but they're so good. I tried them and I was surprised by how good the highlighters are, and they look so natural. But coming back to this, they sent me this, and when I open it, it looked like this. So it's like when you travel to have all your makeup products or skincare products with you, and they give me like this little paper, and it says like everything that it includes. It says Bon Voyage Lovelies, enjoy a hydrated journey to your dream skin with our rose infused favorites. So I think it's like this new line from them that it's based on like roses, and it also tells you like the steps that you're supposed to follow when you're taking care of your skin. I think it has like 8 or 9 products. So I'm gonna be trying them out one by one in terms of like the skincare steps that they sent me. I'm gonna be telling you what I think about them and all of that. So I think it's also really cool that they sent me some makeup remover wipes, and these are the makeup melting cleansing cloths. And right now all the makeup that I'm wearing is some mascara and my eyebrows. It says that it has chamomile and rose. They do smell very good. They smell like roses. So let's remove all the makeup that we have. So the first thing that I'm noticing about this is that usually with makeup wipes, makeup remover wipes, when I try to remove like my eyeshadow or mascara, things like that, my eyes are burning. I don't know if it's because they have alcohol or anything like that, but these are so sensitive to your skin and so lovely. They also smell so good, unlike other wipes that I bought before or I've tried before. So that's a plus for this one. But I feel like they're very thin, like you can actually like kind of like see through. By the way, this is all the makeup that it removed, so it has taken all my makeup, but I do think they're kind of thin. So the second step on the sheet that they sent me is this is the rose cream cleanser with the rose and chamomile flower comfort cleanser, and let's see what it says. On the back it says apply a coincide amount and massage onto skin, remove with moist face cloth or rinse off with water. It says that it cleanses skin as it helps strengthen and soften rose and avocado conditions, chamomile and aloe vera soothes, and it's for all skin types including very sensitive skin. So that's one thing I really like about PIXI. It includes all kind of skin types. For prone acne, for sensitive skin, dry, oil combination. So if you're any skin type, you can totally use this product and judge by yourself. So let's apply this right now. Okay, it looks kind of weird. So it looks like, I don't know, it looks kind of weird, but hopefully it feels good. So I'm back, and I don't think I see any difference from like normal face washes or anything like that, but I do think it's really good if you have oily skin or if you're prone acne, because usually if you have oily skin or you have breakouts or things like that, you're not supposed to use like foam face washes or things like that. It also kind of exfoliates, so I think that's really good. By the way, I forgot to tell you the prices for all of the things that I've been trying out. So the makeup melting cleansing cloths, these are $10, and you can get them either on their website or at Target. And then the rose cream cleanser, it's $18. So both of this, I think they're very affordable. It's not like a huge price. And but if you buy them from the website, so from PIXI, you can actually get a 15% discount if you're a student. So I'm gonna be linking out all of the products down below in the description box. So it's been a little bit since I washed my face with the cleanser, and my skin does feel a little bit dry. So let's see if the rose toner helps a little bit. So I'm applying with a round cotton pad. And this is for $15, the 3 ounces. If you want the bigger one, I think it's $25. But if you can choose between the Rose Tonic and Glow Tonic, I would go for the Glow Tonic, which is the glow toner. I don't know, I feel like it smells better and it leaves your skin a little bit more hydrated. Also, if you have oily skin, then I would go for this one. Okay, next step. So this is the Rose Caviar Essence. So after the toner, this is to hydrate your skin. And let's see how you're supposed to apply it. You can use this either in the morning or in the afternoon after cleansing and toning. Press gently onto the skin, neck, and let absorb. So let's try it out. And it looks kind of weird. It is like a serum or like a gel. I think it looks very, very funny. I don't know what amount I'm supposed to apply, but I'm just gonna try a little bit. It looks so pretty though. I don't know what are those things inside, but it looks really cool. So I'm gonna massage it between my fingers first, and then I'm gonna apply it. It doesn't feel very tacky and it feels so light. I would totally recommend this one. This is like 2 thumbs up. I really liked it. The smell, I don't know, like how you feel it on your skin, it's so good. So light, and like I said, it's not like really tacky, like you touch it and it's like very gross. This is very softening, hydrating. So yeah, and this is for $25 on the website. Then the next one should be the Rose Ceramic Cream, but I want to skip to the Rose Oil Blend because I'm really curious of what this does. It has its dropper, and then inside it comes the little bottle. Now this one, you can also use it in the morning or in the afternoon, and you only use 2 or 3 drops daily for hydration and glow. Okay, I don't like this. Like, this is so oily. Like, I'm sure it's gonna moisturize your skin, but it's very oily. It doesn't smell like roses. This little girl right here came to visit us. Say hi, mommy. So like I was saying, it is very oily. If you do have dry skin, go ahead and use it. But for me, I have combination skin, so I don't really like my skin to like glow that much. Like, look at this and this. Like, it's way too oily for me. I was excited trying it, but it's a no for me. And the price for that one was $24. So I won't be using the makeup fixing mist because that's like after your makeup to set it up. It's like a Fix Plus from MAC. But I think I can try the Rose Glow Mist. So it is more like the Mario Badescu Cucumber setting spray. I don't remember what it's called, but I really like it to moisturize. So it smells nice, and it is like the Mario Badescu, but I would actually go with the Mario Badescu one better than the PIXI Glow. And this is for $15 on their website. But I could totally recommend you to use this one instead of the Rose Oil Blend. So after you are finished with your skincare routine, or like before applying your makeup, I would recommend you to use this one so that it's more hydrated, because sometimes the oils can be a little too much or too heavy for your skin. So that was it for this video. I hope that you really like it. I love trying new products, and I love PIXI Beauty. It's such a really good brand. It's very affordable, and it has some really good quality. I think they're also like vegan or vegetarian, but I do know that they're cruelty free. And I'm gonna give you all the links to your products down below in the description box. Most of them were really good, except the oil blends. They're way too heavy for my skin type. But yeah, if you have tried any of their products or are like very excited to try them, let me know in the comments down below so we can share and chat about our experiences. Yeah, I'm also gonna give you my social media links down below in the description box so you can check them out, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.